Fresh harvest begins an extraordinary industrial transformation. Fresh tamarind pods arrive for careful processing. Only premium tamarind continues through production. Cleaning removes every trace of field debris. Precision grading guarantees consistent production quality.
Machines crack shells with remarkable precision.
Fibers and seeds separate from rich pulp. Pure tamarind pulp moves toward industrial grinding. Grinding creates a smooth tamarind puree. Mixing ensures perfectly uniform consistency.
Controlled heating unlocks rich tamarind flavor.
Moisture removal creates concentrated tamarind richness. Fine filtration perfects the paste. Every batch meets strict quality standards. Consistency testing guarantees every container matches. Packaging begins with precise automated filling. Every container receives perfectly measured tamarind paste.
Airtight sealing preserves freshness and quality. Labels complete every retail-ready container. Robots pack cartons with flawless precision. Finished products prepare for warehouse storage. Warehouse operations organize every shipment efficiently.
Quality products begin their journey worldwide. From orchard to paste, precision drives every step.